Today we kicked off a collaboration between SVT, which is the Swedish national TV broadcaster, and our content developer students. We are super happy for this. They came in as a secret client, so the students didn't know anything up until a couple of hours ago.
I was so shocked. I did not expect to have SVT. I thought it was like an agency, just like a small agency. But then I was like, SVT, just out of the blue. I'm so excited.
My name is Kalle Iselsson. I work as a projektledare or executive producer at SVT Barn och Ung down in Malmö. Today we're visiting the content developer class. So we just gave them a brief to come up with short form content for 7 to 9-year-old boys and trying to reach that hard to kind of catch audience.
I think it's just to put yourself in the kids' shoes and trying to deliver something that is perfect for the target audience in this case.
SVT have been supporting our talent development for a couple of years in various ways, and now to let the students work on a project and trust them to help them on this project is something that we're really lucky about.
Really excited. Grew up watching Willy Wonka and especially working with SVT and the kids side of it. 10 out of 10.
In my previous role at Viaplay, I collaborated with Hyper Island before, and that's been great. So now when we had the right project at SVT, I reached out to Victoria and see if we could find a joint venture. I'm very happy that we could. What we're really looking for here is to find somebody who can reach this hard-to-find audience and use these new generative AI tools. And it's hard to find people who can use those tools. And with this class, you know, being such a force and coming up with new concepts that we couldn't come up with ourselves, that's what really I'm hoping for. So as always when we take on students, I'm hopeful that I can give 1 or 2 of them a job someday.